In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a callout box in Notion. Creating callout boxes in Notion is a fantastic way to highlight important information or simply draw attention to specific content within your pages. Whether you're organizing personal tasks, keeping track of projects, or capturing ideas, this tool can be incredibly useful. Let's dive right into the process. First things first, you'll need to open a Notion page. If you're a seasoned Notion user, you probably have a page open already, but if not, navigate through your workspace and select the page where you want to add this callout box. If you're starting fresh, clicking on New Page will also do the trick. Once you have your Notion page open, the next step is to decide where you want this callout box to appear. This decision is entirely up to you based on how you wish to organize your information. You might want to place it at the top of your page for higher visibility or embed it within a section where it naturally complements the existing content. Simply click on the spot where you wish to insert this feature to get started. Now, with your cursor positioned at the desired location, it's time to activate the feature. All you need to do here is type a /, instantly bringing up Notion's command menu. This is a nifty way to quickly access all kinds of functions within Notion, from inserting tables to adding media elements. For a callout box, type a callout following the /. As you start typing, Notion will automatically filter through the available commands, making it easier for you to find the specific one you need. Once you see callout appear in the menu, go ahead and select it. It's this moment when your callout box starts taking shape on your page. You'll notice a rectangular box with a small icon on the left side. The icon is customizable, so you can change it to match the theme of your page or keep it as is for simplicity. Now let's add some content to this callout box. Click inside the box and start typing the text you want to highlight. This could be anything from a motivational quote, a key takeaway from a meeting, or a reminder of an upcoming deadline. The callout box format allows your text to stand out, turning it into a focal point of your page. And there you have it, a simple yet effective way to create callout boxes in Notion. They can significantly enhance the usability and aesthetics of your pages by emphasizing essential content. Experiment with different ways to incorporate callout boxes into your workflow to see what suits your needs best. Thanks for joining me today, and don't forget to check out more Notion tips in our upcoming videos.